Hello and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing an update on the begonia bulbs that I saved last fall, and it's time to get them out and get them going again. So I'm going to show you what happened. Here are the bulbs that I saved last fall, and you can see this one has a growth on it and this one has a growth on it, which I'm going to be planting these. This one is dead. It is dry as a bone. No seed in that one, which is upsetting, but it happens. This one, I'm not sure. It's not as dry as this one, but I'm going to be planting it and see if it survives. And this must have been the growth that was coming out during the winter, which I honestly didn't check on them. So we'll see if it grows. So I've got three plant pots prepared. Now I do have too much soil in them, and I'm going to take some of the soil. Now this is all dry. Take it out. Dig a little hole. Now you don't want these too deep. You can see where the soil was from last year's pot was right there. And so I put it in and just bring the soil up around it. I'm going to do that for all of them. And what I've got here is a cake topper from Costco. It was the tuxedo cake. And it fits perfectly. So there's one. I think I'm going to break that off there. And the next step is watering it. Now to water it, I'm going to be bottle water. So I'll just fill it up here. And I'm going to watch this over the next few hours to see how much water it takes up and if I have to add any more. But this this soil is quite dry. Begonias don't like a lot of water, so I'm not going to keep them waterlogged. I'm just going to see how this goes, and I will make another video when I've got some results. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it and it's giving you some information on your canna bulbs. Now if you've bought some from the store that are bare root, you should get them potted up and get them going so that they have a jump start on the spring. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.